Number 1. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,200. It has covered approximately 201,000 miles over the years. It features a fuel-efficient yet capable 4.3L V6 engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering the driver full control and a more engaging driving experience. The truck stands out with its classic red exterior, which still holds its charm, and is matched with a clean gray interior that has been kept in good condition despite its age. Inside, the cabin is simple yet functional, showing that the truck has been well cared for. Mechanically, it runs great and starts up with ease, making it suitable for both daily driving and light work duties. The tires are in excellent shape, providing confidence on the road. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. With just 143,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a low-mileage example of a dependable and iconic American truck. It features a 2WD drivetrain and is powered by the legendary 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong and smooth performance. The truck's exterior is finished in a rich brown color, and the interior features a clean, tan cabin that is in near-perfect condition, remarkable for a vehicle of this vintage. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent shape with no known issues. The engine and transmission run exceptionally well, and recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump and brake drums that have fewer than 5,000 miles on them. The tires are also in great condition, showing plenty of tread life remaining. The body and paint are in very good condition, especially considering the age of the truck, and it looks just like it does in the pictures. This Chevy 1500 needs nothing and is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 3. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $4,000. With 191,000 miles, a red exterior, gray interior, and a manual transmission. It runs on gasoline and averages about 25 miles per gallon, making it a great choice for both daily driving and work. Mechanically solid, the truck has had many recent upgrades, including a new clutch and slave cylinder, brakes, wheel bearings, newer tires, new windshield, water pump, and timing gaskets. The cylinder heads were redone before the current owner got it 3 years ago, and the oil has been changed every 3,000 miles. It also features cold AC, strong heat, and a rust-free body and frame. Cosmetically, it has sun fading on the hood and roof, some scratches and dings from work use, and a small rust spot on the rear bumper. The clutch grabs near the floor, likely needing a better bleed, which is a common issue on these trucks. Occasionally, the check engine light comes on, but it still runs and drives well. Number 4. 1991 Ford F-150, price $4,150. With 126,500 miles. It comes with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, white exterior, and blue interior, and runs on gasoline. The current owner has had the truck for over 25 years and rebuilt the engine from the block up. Only 26,000 miles have been driven since the rebuild. Recent maintenance includes a full service at ISA's Auto Shop in Oregon City, transmission service, radiator flush, oil change, engine tune-up, new battery, and cleaned fuel tanks with new fuel pumps. It rides smoothly, especially on the highway, features chrome mag wheels and tires need replacing due to age. Minor flaws include a non-working driver's window, a left turn signal that doesn't self-cancel, and a dented rear bumper from a minor accident. The tailgate works fine, and a few dings are present, as expected for its age. Overall, it's a solid and dependable classic truck. Number 5. 1993 Toyota Pickup, price $5,500. This truck is a reliable and well-maintained classic, powered by the legendary 22RE 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. With 218,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run strong and start right up every day without hesitation. Recently, the head gasket, spark plugs, and wires were replaced, ensuring the truck remains in excellent running condition. Finished in its original white exterior with a blue interior, this pickup has been kept in its authentic, unmodified state, preserving its vintage appeal. It runs on gasoline and features a dependable manual transmission, making it an ideal choice for anyone who appreciates a rugged, straightforward truck that's built to last. Number 6. 1986 Ford F-150, price $5,400, with approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior sports a rich burgundy color, giving it a bold, vintage look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong rebuilt 302 engine equipped with a 4-barrel Holley carburetor. While the exact mileage since the rebuild is unknown, it's estimated to have around 50,000 miles. The truck starts and runs well, offering a reliable driving experience. It tracks straight and smooth down the highway, showing its mechanical soundness. In addition, the F-150 is fitted with like-new tires that have plenty of tread left, contributing to both safety and performance on the road. Number 7. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,999. This pickup is a remarkably well-preserved classic truck with 163,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine and equipped with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, and shifts smoothly. Finished in a matching gold exterior and interior, the truck comes from Texas and is completely rust-free, a rare find for its age. It's exceptionally clean inside and out. All power options are fully functional, including the tilt steering, cruise control, and air conditioning. The Chevy 2500 blends classic styling with dependable performance, making it equally ready for weekend car shows or practical trips to Home Depot. It's a true survivor that stands out for both its condition and capability. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It features a matching burgundy exterior and interior, with 223,000 miles on the original 5.7L V8 engine and automatic transmission, both of which still run strong. The truck runs on gasoline and has never been smoked in. Inside, the bench seat is clean with no rips or stains, the carpet is in good shape, and power windows, heat, radio, and speakers all work well. It includes multiple keys, a locking truck box, and tires with about a third of their tread remaining. Cosmetically, the clear coat is worn, the paint is faded and chipped in spots, and there are a few small dents. The rearview mirror is detached, the cassette player doesn't work, and the steering wheel is loose. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000. It features a red exterior and interior, a manual transmission, and runs on gasoline. The truck sits on sky-white powder-coated C4 wheels with Summit racing tires and a full Beltec suspension setup, including a 6-inch drop and upgraded upper and lower control arms. It also has a tonneau cover, carpeted bed liner, and a freshly painted frame. Inside, you'll find custom upholstered seats, a matching shifter boot, a white steering wheel, and added pressure gauges. Performance upgrades include a new radiator, EGR delete, and new brakes. A custom audio system rounds out this clean and stylish build, perfect for shows or weekend cruising. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $1,800. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, it shows 140,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine, paired with the legendary Muncie 465 4-speed manual transmission featuring the Granny Low first gear, known for its torque and pulling power. While the truck runs and drives, it's not without its imperfections. It could use a few cosmetic touch-ups inside the cabin, and the shifter needs a roll pin installed to function as it should. Recently, it was straight piped to let that V8 roar, giving it a loud, aggressive sound that turns heads. Overall, this Chevy 2500 is a great foundation for someone who appreciates raw, old-school power and isn't afraid to give it a little finishing touch.